Welcome back. This morning we have Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission with us this morning with a tasty coleslaw recipe. Charlene, good morning. Happy to have you with us.
I thought we'd kick off the month by getting parents some ideas with back to school here upon us. Get some ideas for recipes, and the one we're going to do for the first one won first place in the main dish category at the Kansas State Fair. Do you want to tell us who won
this is Margaret Miller's recipe, and I can't wait. I mean, over there it looks fantastic. So talk to me about this recipe. Where do we start?
This is one bag of coleslaw, and you can see it has some carrots in it. You can get the mixed bag, but 1 pound package. I'm going to tell and add these ingredients, but I'm going to let you get started on the dressing. We have Greek yogurt in here, and then we also have tofu in here and mayonnaise. I'll say that. So mix that up a little bit first, and be sure to drain that tofu, because if it sits for any length of time, it gets some water in there. So to this coleslaw then, I am going to add all these ingredients. We have edamame, and these have all been cooked ahead of time. This is soybeans. So they were dry soybeans that you would get from the field, and then you cook them in water, and then drain that.
Wonderful.
Soak them. So this is going to give you a lot of protein. So now with yours, go ahead and add the lime juice and the taco seasoning. That is 1 package of taco seasoning.
And you do the whole packet?
And I have it open already for you, but that's okay. I didn't tell you that. I tried to make that easy for you.
Thank you, Charlene.
So 1 can of corn drained. And this is some soy protein crumbles. So it looks like it might be ground beef, but it actually adds the protein. And if you wanted to use ground beef, you certainly could. Most of the livestock in Kansas is fed soybeans. So now we have some red bell pepper. Look at all these colors that we've got in this. Some yellow bell pepper, and then I don't know how spicy you like it, but here's some diced jalapeno, and you can make it as spicy as you want, or their kids. So now look how colorful that is.
Oh, it looks great.
We're just going to toss this, and then you could make this part ahead of time. Be sure to cook the soy protein crumbles before you put them in. But then you might want to add those at the last, and pour on your dressing. And we'll do that. I'll just add a little bit of that here to it, so we can kind of see what it's like. And then to give it some crunch, she has some corn chips, and we'll put that on there. That gives it some crunch for our recipe. Stir this all together, and this will serve 8 people. Make 8 servings.
It's a big bowl, so it sure will.
That's right. So you're all ready with 1 recipe down to help get food on the table with a busy school schedule.
Absolutely. And Charlene, if they want to find this recipe or any other recipe that might be great for the family back to school, can they do so?
Yes, they should go to kansassoybeans.org. We'll have all of our recipes for August on our website, or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN and ask for the August recipes.
All right, Charlene, as always, thanks so much. Stick around. We'll be right back.